Hey everyone, welcome back on my channel. So people who are watching my video for the first time and haven't subscribed yet, please click on the bell button and do subscribe my channel. Your support really means a lot to me. Coming on the video part, so today I have created this beautiful eye makeup look which is little subtle, complementing my bold lip color. So just stay tuned to watch how I've created this eye makeup using affordable eyeshadow palettes. So it's a bingo point for all you beautiful junkies who don't want to spend too much on eyeshadow palettes and want amazing results. So please watch the video till the end to see how I've created this beautiful eye makeup look. So today I'm going to create some pretty angelic eyes. As you can see, my lip color is really bold, so I would go a little subtle on my eye makeup. So two palettes that I'm going to use today in my video are these two palettes. These are by Maybelline New York. The first one is the City Mini palette, Rooftop Bronzes, and the second one is the City Mini palette, Urban Jungle. So these are my favorite picks, and they are very cute, travel friendly and compact, and I really love them. So without any ado, let's start the eye makeup without wasting time. So I'll start with this palette first, that is the Urban Jungle, and these are the colors that you can see, and it has got a small little brush along with the palette. It's an on-the-go palette too. The next color I'll pick up from this palette, that is the Rooftop Bronzes. I'll pick this color. The third color that I'll pick up is this one. Next, I will use this color. Next, I'll use this color. thank you guys for watching my video. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video, and please do subscribe my channel. Cheers, bye, take care guys.